What is up, YouTube? July 1st, Monday night over here on the East Coast. Figured I'd do a quick cracking of the Pizza Planet truck, Toy Story 4. This has been well sought after. I was able to grab two of them the other day, and I threw one on eBay for $5.25. It's already got 15, 16 watchers, over 100 views. It's up to $8.25. So yeah, it's a hit. So let's see what the chaos is all about. Look at this thing. Whoa. Sorry about that. I got this phone switched the wrong way. Not really focusing very well. But you got a flat yellow car here, pickup truck. I guess I want to say it's going to be an old school Toyota for sure, but they don't have the license for it. But that is sweet, the yellow on the back. It says how it's got a "How's my driving" sticker on the right there. Pizza Planet delivery shuttle. It's got the little Pizza Planet delivery ship on the back. You got some cool bumps, some cool stickers on the cab there in the back of the pickup. Rust, scratches. Nice detail with a bent front bumper. Gotta love this thing, man. This is definitely probably gonna be the, I don't know, they keep coming out with crazy stuff. All faded up over here, but this is gonna be one of the most sought after cars of 2019 for sure. Awesome brown rims there. Tail light detail, tampo work, side markers. Sorry if I keep hesitating on the speaking here. I'm trying to figure out why my phone isn't. I'm trying to figure out why this thing doesn't look like it's focusing. I get the all tinted out, so you're not going to get any interior look in it, but it's cool. Such a sweet looking piece. So you can see why people are going to be after this. Also, not necessarily, got something stuck in there, not necessarily die-cast collectors, but Toy Story collectors. This pickup makes a presence in every Toy Story. That's what's said. I don't remember it in every Toy Story, but it supposedly does. Haven't seen 4 yet. Maybe this weekend. But yeah, so this is going to be huge, huge. Not only on a die-cast collecting, but a collector of Toy Story. So you can see it, prices on eBay just going through the roof. Like I said, I paid $5.47 a piece, obviously. I was lucky to get it at Walmart. And I put the other one on eBay, and it's on there currently for, well, I put it on for $5.25. and now it's at 825. So, and that's with 4 days left, I believe. So yeah, that is a hot item right now. So there it is. Don't know how hard it is for people to get it, but it must be. I just got lucky, I guess. Here's your Pizza Planet truck from Toy Story 4. Once again, thank you for checking out the video. Thank you for subscribing. Sorry about the content here, me looking in the video and all that stuff, but I'm trying to figure out why it doesn't seem like it's focusing. Anyway, thanks again. I'll catch you on the next.